In this video, I'm going to show you how to open and set up a Chase bank account. So this is actually really easy to do. We just need to head over to an internet browser and you need to come over to this website here, which is chase.com. Now, once you're on this website, just scroll slightly down the page and you'll see all of these different types of accounts that we can open. Now, depending on the type of account that you want to create depends on what you select here. The most common account to open is just this checking account. So that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So we're just going to click on checking from the list, and then from this page you'll have three different types of accounts that you can choose from. Now, the most popular account is just using this everyday Chase total checking account, but there are some others available depending on why you're opening a bank account. You can also click on the kids and students or the premium tab at the top here, and you're going to get this comparison table explaining exactly what these different accounts do. But for this video, we're just going to click on everyday and then select open now next to the Chase total checking. Now, you can see here that in order to open an account, you will need some form of identity, and this is usually a driving license or a passport. And if you're in America, you'll also need your social security number. So the first question is, are you an existing Chase customer? If you already have an account, then you can just sign in now and it will pull up all of your information. But if you're a new customer, just click on no, I'm not a customer and press get started. Now, all we simply need to do here is go through the steps on the screen to start setting up our account. Then we can just go and press next, select your date of birth, and then you can go and press next again. Now type in your email address and phone number. Now you'll need to make sure you click on this please read button over here, and then we can go and press next. Now we can just enter our home address from this list, click on it next. Select whether you're a US citizen. I'm going to press no for this, but if you're a US citizen, obviously press yes. If you're not a US citizen, then we can just select our country from this list here, and then just answer these questions at the bottom here accordingly. And now the last step here is just to enter your social security number, and this is the information that's going to be used to verify your identity. So once you've entered this number and press next, that's going to go ahead and send off your application. So as long as you've entered all of this information incorrectly, that should then go ahead and open up your online account. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.